Hey, look, time out. It is 8:06 right now. 8:06. I made it to the gym on time today. You too. What's good, man? What's good? Usually I'm sitting in the car and I'm on the way here, or I'm already in there. But this morning, I really feel like chatting this morning. Like I didn't have no talking in me, but today was a push and core day, man. You know I love chest day. Chest days is for the games, it's for the best. And we got it in right now. I honestly cannot feel my triceps because we was pushing, pumping, and pushing. I hit a new PR. This is the week of PRs right now because I just hit 225 on the incline bench press, man. 225 incline bench press. Multiple times at that. So shout out to me, man. Shout out to me in this week and these games. Like it's getting crazy. It's getting crazy. And like I said, I've never been the strongest, so don't be looking at my page. Don't be looking at my numbers like, oh my God, he thinks he's this. No, I don't think I'm nothing. I'm just happy for me. I'm in my lane, doing my thing in my lane. But we kind of winged it at the beginning of the workout. So we were supposed to do chest press with the dumbbells, but like I said, I love incline press, and I'm glad I did incline press. But we were supposed to do the dumbbell chest press, substitute that for incline chest press. We did 8, 6, 3, 3, 3, on the bench press. And then after that, we did, what did we do after that? After that, we did, the chest deck. We did the chest deck next. Did that with a superset of as many push-ups as possible. So after that, the push-ups, finally we transitioned over to the shoulders. So we did shoulder press, got it in them shoulder presses, man. I got them in. I usually don't like shoulders because I'm scared I might hurt them, and I'm probably only gonna hurt them if I do it wrong. But definitely scared of those, but I still gotta do them because it makes you look great. Back, shoulders, makes you look great. So did those, killed it, felt great. Lateral raises, bro. Another PR. I'm lateral raising 20 pounds. A couple months ago, I was scared to go 10, and oh my God, 15 was just the strongest man in the world. So 20s on the lateral raises. After that, how you doing? After that, my favorite, we did tricep pushdowns, man. Y'all know I love it. Oh, it wasn't even the pushdowns, it was the extensions. We did the extensions, man. So, like I said last week and every week, that's the best pump. We in there just, getting it in. Like, you can see it through here right now. You can see it. Like, that is just a movement for me, a movement for the gains, a movement. But I gotta figure out the way to bring y'all more, bro. Like, I gotta bring more. Like, I feel like I'm being boring. And I mean, y'all are looking at it, y'all are viewing it, y'all like it, but I have to bring more as a creator, bro. I have to bring more as a creator, and that's what I'm gonna do. So this is gonna be a short video because I'm a little more mad and pissed off at myself, and I'm gonna promise to do better. Over and out, man.